Good morning, students. Myself, Pankaj Kumar Mahatha, Sardar Patel, science teacher of Sardar Patel Public School. In previous class, we can discuss the getting to know plants in different kinds and varieties of the plant. Just example, herbs, herbs, clippers, climbers. Now, we can we can discuss today in the second part of this chapter parts of the plants, the different parts of the plant. Just example, branch, stem, roots, leaves, flower, fruits, all of the different parts of the plant. So we can discuss all these parts of the plant in details. First, different parts of the plants are divided. Just example, herb plant can be divided into generally five parts: herbs, trees, clippers and climbers. In previous class we can discuss all of these parts. So herbs, clippers, climbers and tree are divided mainly two parts. First part is called under the soil, second part is called above the soil. Underground part of the soil of the plant, that is color is creamish color, pale color or brown in color, it is called root part of the plant. But the above the ground of the part of the plant, that is green in color, that is green in color and just green in color, they have consist consist steam. Green in color, that is consist of steams. And above the ground of the part of the plant or under the ground of the part of the plant can also be divided two system. Above the ground of the part of the plant is called shoot system, under the ground of the part is called root system. Underground part of the plant, that is called root system, above the ground of the part, that is called shoot system. Root system. Root system consists roots. Root system consists only roots. But roots is also primary roots or secondary roots. Primary root, that is called main root, or secondary root is also consist in the joint in the primary root by a small hair like structure. But the shoot system consists stem, branches, leaves, flowers, seeds and fruits. Yani different variety of the shoot system. Just example, branch, leaves, flower, seeds, fruits, all of the parts are called shoot system. Shoot system, ground, above the ground of the part of the plant, root system under the ground of the plant of the system. Yani root system have different variety, shoot system have different variety of the parts: stem, branch, leaves, flower, seeds, fruits. First we can discuss root system. Root system yani non-green part of the plant. Root system, that is non-green part of the plant, that is the color of the root system is creamish color, brown color, pale color. Root system consists primary root and different branches present on this primary root, that is known as secondary root. Secondary root are also very thin structure, thin like structure, it also jointed to the primary root. The root and the primary root, just example of the plant, that is beans, carrot, had primary root. Primary root is thick and long. Primary root is thick and long root and small branches. It is consist by the small branches. And other hand, the root, just example of the plant, wheat, maize, grasses, there is no small roots, that is no main roots, that is the different types, all the roots are same and similar. We cannot find out this is the primary root or this is the secondary root. So it consists different types of the roots. So roots can be divided by the two parts: taproot system, fibrous root system. Taproot system and fibrous root system. Taproot system is the primary root is thick and long. In taproot system, the primary root is thick root and long root. It grow vertically downward the soil. Soil में वे vertically downward की तरह नीचे जाता है. It also called true root. टैपरूट सिस्टम को हम लोग ट्रू रूट सिस्टम भी कहते हैं. जस्ट एग्जांपल हो गया बीन्स, पी, मैंगो, कैरट. ऑल ऑफ दिस प्लांट कंटेन्स ओनली टैपरूट सिस्टम. यानी टैपरूट सिस्टम द प्राइमरी रूट इज वेरी थिक एंड लॉन्ग. दे ऑल्सो डाउनवर्ड on the soil. They also grow downward of the soil. And fibrous root system, in it consists the primary root is short lived. Primary root is very short. It is replaced by the cluster of the fibers like roots. All branches of the roots rise from common point. Yani it we cannot find out this is the primary root, this is the secondary root. In fibrous root system no find out main root. Any different types of the small roots present on the fibrous root system. Just example of the plant: wheat and grasses. It consists by the fibrous root system. Thank you, student.